Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the second half of the English alphabet is written in reverse order, then find the 19th letter from the left. So there are 26 letters. So second half means 13 letters. So second half of the letters are written in reverse order. That means there are first 13 letters as it is without any change of order, and then the next 13 letters are written in reverse order, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So instead of writing Z over here, I am going to write Z over here. There Y will be over here, X over here, W over here, V U T S in this way. So this is return in reverse order. Let's remove over here. So 19th letter from the left will be, let's see, there are first 13 letters over here. So this will be 14th letter. This 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th and 19th. So 19th letter from left will be U. So answer is option B.